Android 12 Beta 1 is here, so for our Redmi Note 7 and Note 7s too. With this, Android UI has been revamped again since Lollipop, which is Android 5.0. So now let's begin and watch till the end to know more about gaming and overall experience. So in Android 12 there are many new animations which looks nice. Also switching between dark theme and light theme via quick setting toggles gives a different animation which looks way better than Android 11. Also the charging animations looks really cool. So the safety net doesn't pass by default, and even after enabling Magisk Guide it won't pass. And for the wideband it is L3 by default.
I'm dying. Help me. Fuck off!
Yes, 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 yes.
Tango down.
Changing mag. Target down.
Enemy down.
So in terms of gaming performance, this sport room isn't the best option out there. You can get up to 30-40 FPS while screen recording at 720p, and you can get FPS up to 40-50 without screen recording, which isn't the best at all. And I have recorded this gameplay after flashing Moonlight Kernel version 2.6. Also, the temperature reaches 45 degrees while gaming, which is similar to all custom rooms that I have tested so far. So with that said, let's dive into benchmark results now. In this Geekbench test, as you can see, the multi-core score isn't the best. It is kinda similar to what I get in MIUI. And for single core, it is similar to all custom ROMs that I have tested. Then comes the CPU throttling test, and the threads are set to 100 while testing this, and as you can see, it is quite impressive. And I have tested this with stock kernel. The best thing of this sport room is that it is very less buggy and it is pretty close to stable. After watching screenshots and videos of Android 12, I thought the UI would look ugly and it would be not the best. But after using, the UI looks cool. And the con of this sport room is that CTS fails and wideband is L3, which means you cannot stream HD playback in OTT platforms. So the bugs that I faced was wallpapers and styles was crashing, and sometimes there are minor UI lags. Also there is audio lag while playing videos, but it can be fixed by disabling voice match from Google Assistant. Also there are some other bugs too which can be fixed by following the notes which is given in the Telegram post. Also I forgot to mention that Monet theming isn't working, which is responsible for device accent colors changes according to your device wallpaper. Despite the minor UI lags and other bugs, this sport room is pretty close to stable and I kinda liked it. Bluetooth, mobile data, hotspot and other things like that works perfectly fine. So you can give it a try too and let me know your experience in the comments down below. Even after changing kernel, the problem of minor UI lags won't be solved, as I am using Moonlight kernel now and it is still lagging for me. Also changing kernel isn't advised by the developer. So this is it for this video and the download links are in description. Also follow me on Instagram and follow my Telegram channel as well.
Dancing on the moon.